Hi everyone, we're going to do another one of our little short earring videos, and I'm using 20 gauge head pins. I don't have any ear wires out here. I'm using 20 gauge head pins. I've got fish hook ear wires. Well, I guess they're called fish hooks. And then these are about 8mm. Those are 4mm beads. And we're going to make some green beads for August. It's not quite the birthstone, but it's green. So, or green for summer. And you know, whenever I was young, my grandmother said that as you get older, the seasons just fly by. And she is so right, or she was. Make it like that, because it just seems like yesterday it was May and now it's getting close to the end of July. I don't know if y'all feel that way or not, but the time has flown by for some reason. And we'll do it like that. And this is the thick wire that doesn't bend easy. Now, if it bends easy, you're going to want to do a twist around it. But since it doesn't bend easy, it's not going to pull out with your hair. Now, if it's really bendy, you want to bend it down. Make your loop, bend it down, and go around it with the wire, and then snip as close as you can. Alright, I'm going to bend it back, but I don't want it to hit that wire. Hit that bead, because I can hear it every time, and it sounds like the bead's in a crack if I go too far. And wrap it around. This one might be too long. I usually do about a 1/2 inch at the top. And then we'll take this one, about a 1/2 inch. See, now, what happens is I get afraid that I'm going to hit that bead, and because I can hear it hit it. And I've broke so many of them that I'm afraid to hit it. Alright, we've got that. And let's open up these. And these open on the bottom, and you just twist them open like that. If you pull them apart, you might not get them back together the way you're supposed to. You don't want your ear wire or earring to fall off. There. Twist it open. Put your earring on and twist it back. Make sure it's closed. Make sure you don't have a gap for it to fall off. You can wiggle it a little bit. And there we go. There's our green earrings for summer and August. So, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end and liking and subscribing. It really does help me out. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Check out my other channels in the description if you're so inclined. And y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.